And now my plane is finally open at the start. It's finally ready. And my plane. And now the plane is the plane. The zombies weapon. And two, the other secrets diamonds off the wall. And if it turns, it won't be that servant to find them. Hey, Parker, do you see any friends over here? No, I can't find it. It's because, I don't know, because there's opposite, and then he's gone, always, he's gone, actually, why is this gone, why is happening, I don't know. I'm looking all the bathrooms and all the friends, but it's none on there. Who's happening on them? Wait, the TV isn't a commercial of nothing. Hey guys, we have a great news of the day. A terrible news. The terrible news of the day. Tonight. The zombies were created by Kevin's father. Oh no, he is alive. But how he is alive? And to right, I gotta tell you how he is alive. The temperature of Pointer glasses. It makes us alive, doctor. And the grandfather was revenging. And then he's making the zombies. And the third to destroy the world. And please, still safe. What the hell is zombies going on? I don't think it's gonna be real. Really is the commercial is really happening. Is that the relative sister? And then you're the perpetrator. You're the water sister thing. A third heart. It is this third. And then you're the heart. And for why you currently talking about? Why you talking? What are you talking about that? Oh, come on. Oh, come on, Turton. You're the fattest, scariest outside. Oh, wait a second. Okay, now. Karen. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here before zombies come back. Where's the $2 first? Yeah. Shut up. Oh, what is going on the road? I am the Barker, destroyer of hero. We don't have a job. We don't have a time of this town now. Let's go. The house is creepily happening. Fear to see through the faint. Let's go before he's kicked in the back. Let's go. Just run. Why this flow is going on? There's nothing. There's nothing in here. What is going on? Oh, what? Hey. Wait, you did this doll? What are you? Is he so Twitter? It's return. It's just static. What? Oh, okay, I'm here. What is it? Oh, this is that. One whole otherwhere. And this is Stop High Heart. Here's a ton in the tall mountains. Here's a salt to the land. And you turn all of our church. And the jokes are started. Malatis is a pest. Wait, your name is a pest? No! My true name is Avy. Wow, Avy, I just see the heavy turn down hot. Shut up! Or if you did. Well, we are here to help you. What is the help? What is it that you wanted? Are you the car robot or no? I am the alive car, and this is my friend. Is alive too. And I have a question, most pressing. The 2 diamonds I fitted the curtains the road, and then here's a test result. He is gone. And then here's a photo and missing by is kidnapped by Dr. Pig Franken. Down the ice. Commercial talk. Yes, we want to. It's because crazy straight-fronted zombies. What's Adventure Hut? You have to find the mine 2 diamonds behind these roads. And then you have the turbo then. And now go find them. You had a turn, you're the fanciest. And you turn hot for it. Alright, for your turn on the high. I get have a dollar fat. That's weird. Okay, get fat. What? Oh. What? There's a stack of tortoise. I can't get the tortoise. You the bulldog again? You idiot. You're supposed to be able to be careful with my things. And I go lose my job. And you will lose your lives. Oh, let's run. It's 2 zombies. What are you talking about, zombies? Oh, let's run, let's out of here before. Aha! It's dead to run. You fools! Go get my diamond before I kill you! I could have it to heavily. Come on, guys. Let's back at Fettons and watch more of this happen. It's this he is talking. What? This place is so dark. This place is so nervous. Shut up, Kevin. It's gonna be all right. I am here because you're that fat. So let's find the 1 diamond because it's maybe around here. It's not that far left. Did you hear that? Remember I say don't Parker. Oh no. Okay, I think he says a diamond over. I could be brave. Okay, and then oh, I found the diamond over here. I found the first one. And there's I got it! I got it, doll! Don't! I got the diamond! The first diamond! Don't? Oh no. Okay, it's okay. I gotta move on to the next diamond. Finally, I get it. And the desert finally come to Papa Diamond. Oh, great. Hey, fat fool. I am the cafeterias around here, and you can't restart it. And where's my second diamond? Haha! I get it. The iPod art source solid quest. What is that? Uh-oh. Where is the diamond? Where's the diamond? Where's the diamond? Where's the diamond? Right under this. This place is so dark. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Maybe the terrorists were diamond. I feeling. Oh, whoa! I got it. Not a problem. Go, 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 go. Let's get it back. The fighter, the fighters. Here that heavily had to. You to go. Let's go. Let's go. To go. To go. To go. To go. Just run, just run, just run. Just I pick up. Don't worry, little big guy. I took from the hall, and you will be an avatar. You're the patsy to this stupid side. It's a pillar nerk. I gonna have a turn, maybe at the fake has is a to having it. And then I create a turret forcer. I command you to find him in the outfit. Final battle on the desert of Havanah. And he is a keeping your tear. He will be paid for that. It's a such for that. I even down. Finally, I found the diamonds over here. Hey, I found it. Everyone? It's not over. Oh no! Oh please, Davey, I cannot hurt that. I will be careful. Always that. No, I knew it would pick me since it on around me. It's because you said since we're home. It's the top on the arbling. And fancy it's that he has lost my job and enters. And again, the zombies rule my hunter, rule my house, and he is a pet with us and help other. Don't worry, we're gonna figure this out before he has a pet with us around here then. And then you can put it on. Let's do it to the half ending. Really? Yes. Really? Yes. Really? Yes. Really? Because he is a zombie is so powerful, and he is a. I got your diamonds. My diamonds. Thank you to rescue them. And now. Let's go to the foot. Are you really sure the plan is good? What he faces work? Yes, of course. I'm most sure. I'm most courage and I'm most is sister hot. Yes, figure hot return. Not a critical foot anymore. I better prepare them. Okay, let's go before it is to die to offense. Let's go. We don't have a time written and my queen. And let's go. Oh, there he is. What do we have to do now? Oh no, what we have to do right now? Quick, my boys, attack! Oh no. No. Take that, the starving zombies! Woo! Haha! Let's get out of here. What we gonna do right now? We don't have a tube, so we get out of here. You're right. Well, no. My eyes. 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 Let's get out of here. Shut up! Oh, okay. I'm just joking. And now let's find this Dr. Frank, because he is destroying the world with a lot of zombies. And figuring this out, where's Doe? Let's go already. Let's go already. Now I get your turn. Okay, let's go trade our diamonds. Now let's go before you go to Caroline back. Got it. Where's my diamonds? Right here. Alright. Now who's there as if it's you? Yes, that's me. But it is. I will return to the Fang. You want me to reasons. I will turn the source and revenge all the universe and the third fix. And always your to pass. Tear there. My zombies! Get them! There's a big one. We're found. Don't worry. The diamond is a tool. Sorry, the big one can hold it fatter than the eyes. Monster can't allow to. Oh no. And now, what is sweater and the sword do? We are the story. Go water, I affair. Daylight for water. You have to listen. You're a fire. Most fire on the world. Stop it. Not stop because I don't. Eye is cold. My eye is cold. My eye is cold. My eye is cold. And my eye is fire. My eye is cold. My eye is fire. My eye is cold. My eye is fire. I'm fire. Haha. Now hour to set it to utter the hot and lean, right? Right. Let's keep getting No! My biggest zombie! No! You fuck idiots! I will destroy all your lives. And you took the return. There's no over yet with this monster. He's skin alive, and then I touch him. Oh no, we'll forget about this. As I thought, the odds were foul because he is alive. Oh, we have to get out of here. And now say goodbye, cars, to the tour guys. No, my friends! Oh, you gotta pay for that. Anything, you're done. What about us? Of course. Oh, you're back. And now, since we're ahead, why you're revenging on yourself, freaking? It's because. Did you forget myself for that? What? Because my glasses is to the around and make us start to me and the party revenge. Revenge! Monster, get them! It's time to you. You must say franken. Ah. Even no. What do you mean no? I mean yes. We'll do it. All right. Now do. Is it them? Of course he's in them because he's so big, so strong, and so monstrous. Zombies get them. No! Oh no. What I got about to do about your friend kid dog barker. Ha 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 ha. You idiot. Prepare to be eaten, and nothing is the terror you save. I will. What do you do? What? Are you seriously? Give me that, my dummy. Get it away. And now zombies. Oh, no! No, my biggest creature of the all. You're the fat-head fitted, you idiot. I will turn off all your salt. And no, not. Oh, my face. That's right. And you, the fatter fat. This is the last question I gotta ask you. Where's my friends? I told you. Carmesio is tall. Is no more friends in here. It's because you would have attackers. And then you took her for a lot. And you were the turboter. You're the picker, the terrorist. And you had the supplier. And you fatally set it to face. Said, find the law, and you can't find the law already. And now, what about the next two before he is a turduity? Because he was sad and determined killed everyone by self-torpilliard. I can order Darby and I call you all the time. I can't defeat it and it would be alive. And then you defeated that my son is never gonna back because he's a fat little turd. And he is a fat little hunter. You're defeating the turd so that always a style of water. I bitter. And that's all real beings and the future dot. And the future never not will be a face. And the terror all the terror is the all your legends. And all your legends won't be legends by you idiot. I say you touch our oven. Where's my friends? But you the are facet. And then the daddy to you son is never gonna have to you the pit. Because you the pit or the doctor. And you make everyone on the zombies. You kidnap my friends. You hospital to my house and the other cars. You the tough high. You are the worst daddy of ham. Barker, my bro, don't do this to my father. It's because he's a cutest fuzz. Did you kill her? I will lost my family and take it for the peace. And you defend your household. You just said for that there's no friends that said to your halter. And please stop it to my dad. No, shut up, Kevin. I will save you and the fun and the road and all you. I can. And then the Hatter starts will finally rest, and the Potter and Fitter lost started the end. And then I was kidnapped by other friends. Yeah, ha 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 ha. Continue.